Hello everybody, this is Jeffrey here in Austin, Texas, close to the corner of West William Canaan and I-35. And once you cross over that way, it'll be East William Canaan. I'm right in this parking lot. AT&T, that's my internet now. Name of this complex is Century South. Century South. The Great Academy is over here. And I just came from Big Locks. Big Locks over there. Why Big Locks ain't on that sign? Well, it's over here, right over there. There it is, right. But anyway, I was looking for a carabiner, one of these. This one I got from. It was holding up this. I use that to sometimes brush, sweep glass off the sidewalk. But a bunch of cars got it rigged up on there. But I'm looking for a bigger one. Oh, these are my new keys. Well, only these three are my new keys. You know, them others are bag up bike lock keys. Okay, I thought I had one more bag up. No, I got that wrong. I do have one more bag up bike key. That was one of them birds. I thought that was somebody next to me. Anyway, these three are my apartment key. This is my fob that you open the door coming into the apartment, and mail. One of them is my mailbox and apartment. Anyway, and the other three down there, bike lock keys, and I just put them nail clippers on there today. And I got these yesterday. In other words, I did a video a few days ago how I lost my keys, but I didn't find them. But if I find them now, they ain't no good. I got these. Anyway, I told the apartment manager the day I had gotten the money slip for $25, which the keys cost, and the day I had put it in the system, you know, fill out the paperwork and the desk put it in the system. When I walk in the house, seen the maintenance guy, said, "I hope you know how to make keys." Cause I lost mine, and apartment maintenance guy named Bob that used to work there that retired in 20 years. When I lost keys, when he was working, he made the key, but this new guy said they changed out the whole deal, you know, the whole guts of the so. I was thinking my key was too short, cause my other one was longer than that for my door, and I was reminded, oh, the whole deal is changed out. This is they changed out in case somebody find the keys, so they can't go in your apartment. All right, I'm trying to be real careful. Also, if I lose these, I'm gonna try not to. I won't even be able to unlock my bike, cause these are spare bike lock keys. So, anyway, I'm being real careful. Like when I put them on that hook down there on my pants, I'm feeling around every now and then. And then I'm not surprised I didn't lose them before I lost them, because a lot of times I left them on my bike, like hanging right here, hanging, and sometime in there, and just So I need to keep them in on my person, you know, when I'm getting ready to go in businesses. So, and I know I've said that a million times, but we live and learn. All right. While I'm talking about this, let me put them back on. Make sure I put them back, make sure they're on. Wow. I'm on errands now. A couple of places I've been don't have the carabiners, but I know dollar deals right that direction gonna have it. Okay, it feel like it's 50-something degrees, and I got on Traces of Heaven on replay, but you know, it ain't on now cause the phone doing a video. It ain't gonna do both. It ain't gonna play Bluetooth speaker and do a video. I got a yellow case from Amazon on my phone that is the correct one, you know. It's from the makers or manufacturer, whoever that the initial designate. B is from BWY. So yellow. And okay, I'm out on errands, and I needed some milk. Big Lots didn't have the carabiner, but they had milk, and this was the only big one they had. So the cashier asked me that I wanted a sack. I said, no, since it's cold, I'm gonna throw it right in this basket. But I told her I do have a cooler as needed, and if it was hot enough, I believe that'll fit. It'll fit in there. I can just take out the ice packs and put that on the bottom, and it'll actually fit now. Okay, the Super Bowl is coming up tomorrow, y'all. You know, and I really wasn't planning on watching it because I was upset when Dallas got knocked out of the playoffs, and now I done got over that, you know. So I'm probably going to enjoy the game, and I guess may the best team win. But if I was to pick somebody, it would probably be Philadelphia, even though, because they're in Dallas division. You know, but them teams are strong now in Dallas division like they were in the mid-90s. Dallas division in the mid-90s won the Super Bowl 4 times. Dallas got 2 of them. And the same team, they beat the same team, Buffalo Bills. I kind of feel sorry for the Buffalo Bills. Since they made it there 4 times, I kind of wanted them to win 1, even if it was against Dallas the 2nd time, you know. But I'm kind of glad Dallas got it. But I admired them for their feat of going there 4 times like that. Anyway, and kind of wish they would have got 1, but I'm glad that since they did, I'm glad Dallas got 2 of them against them. And Dallas is getting strong. Somebody just told me that Dallas may win it next year, and I kind of agree because that division is strong again, like in the mid-90s, and it was Giants beat Buffalo the 1st time, and it was Washington beating them the 2nd time, and Dallas the next 2 times, 93 and 94. And Dallas won in 96 against Pittsburgh Steelers. That was payback for losing to Steelers twice in the 70s. And they could have won one of them against the Steelers in the 70s, but that guy dropped that, I think his name was Jacob Smith, dropped a ball in the end zone. In the end zone. Right about 10 to 15 yards away from the quarterback. Anyway, things happen. Okay, what else? May they get there safely. I don't know if I got the Got it. Oh yeah, I can see it a little bit. May they get there safely. That's always amazes me how something hundreds of tons. I think it's hundreds of tons. Maybe if it ain't, I know it's over 50 tons at least, and more. I'm just guessing. How do that stay in the air? But I Googled it one time, and it has to do with the wind and the build of the plane and the thrust, you know, and the motors. Golly, how man is that smart to know how to make something like that and know how to make it stay in the air? But the Bible says, he that teacheth man knowledge shall he not know. And that's God created man and gave him the knowledge to do these things. Okay, this is just a short video. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. And it's the high gonna be today, I think, in the mid 50s. And what else is on my list here? A bigger carabiner. I already got that memorized. I got the milk, so I can check that off. And anyway, internet is playing satisfactorily. You know, I've experienced a buffer every now and then, but most of the time, I'm gonna give it an A. And you know, I shouldn't be worried about, you know, quitting internet for a few buffering, you know, on the internet. I like my colors today. Let me show them y'all. I wanted to, well, I was wearing this hat, but I don't have I forgot to put my cap shaper in it. And I don't like, see how it's all bent down? I don't like that. I started to just wear it like that. I said, no, I didn't want to. If I decide to wear it, I can do it like that. So I think that's the first time I forgot my cap shaper. Okay, but I love this hat. It's in my top 3 favorites, you know. I think they're gonna last for a minute. They're gonna last for a good minute. Then at Dollar Tree, I seen a 4-pack of these. It's probably, well, it's about around the same price as the one I got already. Happy early Valentine's Day to everybody. Yeah, it's about 2 days away on the 14th. Thank God it's not Valentine's Day 1974, because I was in a car going to prison for destroying state property. I was just like maybe 17. I think they tried me as an adult. And I had a 3-year sentence. But I got out in 1975. But 4 months later or so, went back and did 32. Woo! Thank God I'm free. As somebody told me, we can't do nothing about what happened in the past, but we can go forward. We can go forward. You know, Paul even said that in Philippians. I press toward the mark for the prize of the high calling of God. You know, before that he said, forgetting what is behind and reaching forth unto the things which are before. And then that came what I quoted first. That's in Philippians 3. And I thank God for freedom. For 14 years, going on 15. Matter of fact, next March the 10th, I'll be out 15 years. Look at them flags, y'all. American and Texas. There's mine. I learned that the American flag is supposed to be higher than the Texas flag. I didn't know that. Somebody told me. Hope I didn't get this family in the video. Okay, so I'm trying to think of what else I need to say. Oh, I need to eat somewhere while I'm out. All of these colors are twice. Let me move this out of the way. And then people's way of getting out their car. All right, I'm gonna get ready to close this video, y'all. Everybody have a great Sunday. And I'm enjoying this bike out here. Even though it's cold, I'm wrapped up. I ain't wore these socks in a while. Adam Ant. That probably came out in the 90s when I was locked up. This is my blue in my tennis, my blue in my legs, yellow. And I got yellow in this scarf, purple. It's purple in the coat, but I got purple on under, a purple sweatshirt on. Orange. I got some orange on somewhere. It's in this coat, orange. Oh, orange tennis shoes and socks. Then gray in the tennis, and I got gray on a pocket handkerchief. The whole shirt is yellow. See what I'm saying? The whole shirt is yellow. Okay, so that's my yellow also. These shorts is red, and red is in the socks. And I got black and black. I haven't wore this cap in a while, in a good while. And I needed the gray for the bottom of the tennis match. So I like this Texas hat. May God bless Texas. May God bless the USA. And I just pray for the people in Turkey and Syria who experienced the earthquakes. May many more be found alive, you know, and may all those rest in peace that perished, that died. And hopefully they put faith in the true God before leaving this life, and may all that got injured have a speedy recovery. I pray for peace around the world also. And you know, Jesus Christ is coming soon. I encourage everybody to be ready to meet him. Peace.